Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Things didn't work out as planned last night. Turns out the air mattress has a leak in it, and it was a slow leak, so it took about an hour till we realized, like, uh-oh, we're going to be sleeping on the concrete pretty quick. Luckily, I'm prepared for camping, so I slept in the tent on my little air mattress that I have for one person, and Brenda had to sleep in the car. And it looks like she's watching a movie right now, and it's 5:30 in the morning. So we're just gonna pack up now since it's pouring rain anyways, and head on to our next destination, which I think today is going to be Kilkenny. I slept all right. How about you?
Go to sleep.
All right, we've arrived in Kilkenny. We're gonna go check out the city. It's got a medieval mile with narrow streets and castles and cathedrals. This was the unofficial capital in the Middle Ages, and they passed laws that the Irish couldn't marry the English, but that didn't work out so well because people went around the corner and still did the nasty, if you know what I mean. Anyways, let's go check out the town. Ahead is Kilkenny Castle. As you can see, it looks like a castle. Apparently, it was built in 1303. Looks like it's closed at the moment. We're a bit early, but we could be one of the first ones in. Just finished with Kilkenny Castle, and now we're going to continue on the medieval mile. See what else we find. Hey! Hey! I just did a quick stop in St. Mary's Cathedral here, and I didn't burn up, so I can't be all bad. Alright, that's our quick little trip to Kilkenny. Did the castle, we skipped the museum, didn't seem like it was really going to be worth it, and then a little walk around town. And now we're gonna head on to a place that looks like it might be an abandoned mansion and maybe see some ghosts. This is Castleboro House, a former stately home built in 1770. It's had a troubled past. Fire took place in 1840, rebuilt in 1858, and then burnt down by the IRA in 1923, and been empty ever since. This is our Castleboro tour guide. Say hi.
To the butlers. And
yeah.
There's an old castle. We call this castle, but it's really a Palladian mansion. And
So the butlers own this?
the butlers own the, you see the old castle.
Oh, over there.
Wow.
That's a real castle.
Down there.
Oh,
That was
Oh.
in 1640. So then they came over beside me, I just say, people, I wasn't around at that time. So it's all granite, of course, and that's Corinthian.
Well, that was very nice of the owner of the establishment who lives over there, and he owns all this land, including the haunted Castleboro mansion. He had the guy who owns Ryanair back in the day want to buy it, and he still didn't sell. It's been pouring out. We finished up at the Castleboro, and so we pulled into Wexford and looking for a dry place to eat, and we ended up at Rob's Rancho Relaxo. And you get to mark off what you want to eat. So we're gonna grab a bite to eat and then go find a place to stay.
And let me tell you something. I haven't pooped in 3 days. If I let one... oh, fuck.
Well, here I am in St. Mary's Cathedral. Can't say it loud enough. Because we ain't tenting it.